In our modern, fast-paced world, it's all too easy to become disconnected from the world around us. We find ourselves constantly connected, surrounded by screens and technology, often neglecting one of the most powerful and transformative experiences available to us, the wonders of nature. Stepping into nature offers more than just breathtaking landscapes and Instagram-worthy photos. It provides us with a profound opportunity to reconnect with ourselves, to rejuvenate our minds, bodies, and spirits, where the stresses of life begin to melt away. So, let's explore why being in nature is so good for you. Firstly, nature offers us a much-needed relief from our overloaded, stressful life. It's a chance to unplug, slow down, and embrace a simpler, more peaceful existence. Surrounded by the gentle sounds of rustling leaves, chirping birds, or the rhythmic crashing of waves, we can find ourselves with fresh and free mind. Breathing in the fresh, clean air of the great outdoors floods our bodies with pure oxygen, invigorating our lungs and revitalizing our entire system. It boosts our immune function, increases energy levels, and enhances our overall vitality. Being in nature also promotes mindfulness and presence. As we immerse ourselves in the beauty of our surroundings, we become fully present in the moment. We engage our senses, feeling the soft touch of grass beneath our feet, inhaling the crisp, fresh air, and witnessing the dance of sunlight through the treetops. This heightened awareness can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and improve our overall well-being. Nature also provides the perfect backdrop for exercise and physical activity. Whether it's hiking, biking, or simply walking through a forest, engaging in outdoor movement strengthens our muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and helps us maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, nature provides us with the perfect backdrop for connection and bonding. Whether it's a family hike, a picnic with friends, or simply sharing a sunset with a loved one, these moments spent together in nature foster deeper connections and create lasting memories. It's a chance to escape the digital distractions and truly engage with the people who matter most to us. Finally, nature provides us with a canvas for adventure and personal growth. It challenges us to step out of our comfort zones, to climb that mountain, paddle through rapids, or explore uncharted trails. Through these experiences, we discover our own resilience, build confidence, and develop a deeper appreciation for the world around us. So, the next time you find yourself longing for a reset, a moment of clarity, or simply a breath of fresh air, remember the transformative power of nature. Step outside, immerse yourself in its wonders, and let nature heal, inspire, and guide you towards a more balanced and fulfilling life.